Hi students, this is our single cycle circuit, okay, wherein we can make this cycle run in a single cycle only. We cannot, press the push button and run it for multiple times. You just have to, push the button every time for a cycle, okay. So what is happening here? This is a push button type DCV, 3x2 DCV. So when I push this push button, what is happening here is that the first port here, okay, this is the first port. This first port here is connected to a compressor, okay. So as it is connected to a compressor, the when I push the push button, okay, when I press this, the first port get connected to the second port, okay. Initially it is at this position, okay, wherein the first port which is having the compressor is blocked because of the spring, okay. So because of the spring this position is actuated, but as soon as I press this, okay, the push button, this side gets actuated, okay, and this side of the rectangle, okay, there are two rectangles here. One rectangle is this and the other rectangle is this, okay. So this side gets actuated, first port gets connected to the second port, and the air which is coming from the compressor goes to the second port. Where is the second port connected? Here, okay. So here the air goes, okay, and when the air comes here, what happens? This side gets actuated. In this side the first port is blocked, second port is having the compressor, see here you can see, third port is receiving the air from the fifth port, and second port is getting connected to the fourth port, okay. So whenever I get the air, this is a pilot operated DCV. This type of DCV is called as pilot operated because it is operating on air, okay. Pilot operated pneumatic type DCV, 5x2, because 5 is for port, okay, number of ports, and 2 is for the number of rectangles or the number of ways in which you can operate it, okay. Getting all of you? So there are two ways: either the second port will give the air to the fourth port, or the second port will give the air to the fifth port, okay. So when I get the air here, this air is just utilized to push the spool. The spool is pushed and you get this side, okay. This side gets actuated, and the air which you are getting continuously from the compressor, okay, this compressor, this line, okay, that air goes to the fourth port here in this side. This that air goes to the fourth port. See, the fourth port is connected, okay, and therefore this fourth port is connected to this side of the cylinder. This is the single acting cylinder, okay. So what is happening? Spring return type, okay. You can see the spring here, okay, this is the spring. So when I send the air here, the air gets collected here and it push the piston moves from A0 to A1, okay. And as soon as I release this push button, what will happen? Okay, when I release this push button, the spool which was pushed on this side, okay, the spool which was pushed on the right hand side, it is pushed only, and the air which you are getting from this compressor, this compressed air, okay, this line is supplying this from the second port. See, in this side it is connected to the fourth port. When this side gets actuated, the second ports get connected to the fourth port, okay, and when this side gets actuated, the second port gets connected to the fifth port. But I am just sending the air from this side, okay, it is just pushing the spool, and the second port is getting connected to the fourth port. The continuous air which is there from the compressor, which is connected to the second port, sends the air to the head. This is the head of the cylinder, okay. So air is getting collected here, and the cylinder, the piston gets moved to the right hand side. It moves from A0 to A1. But what will happen when I release this push button? Will the piston come back? No, the piston will not come back, because once I press this push button, the left side gets actuated, and as soon as the left side gets actuated, the air from the second port goes to the fourth port, and it is continuously sending the air here, okay. If I want to get this position, okay, wherein the second port should give air to the fifth port, I have to send air from here, which I am not doing in this circuit, Okay, so there are only two possibilities, that is why it is called 5 by 2. This 2 number is for how many possible ways in which the DCV can run. It can either send air to fourth port or either it can send air to the fifth port. In this circuit I am just sending the air from second port to the fourth port. Okay, let's see the actual circuit. This is my push button which I am talking about. Okay, this is the first port which is getting air from the compressor. Okay, this is the compressor line. Okay, which is getting the air from the uh, air filter. Okay, lubricator and regulator unit. Okay, so this is FRL unit which is in turn getting its supply line from the compressor. The compressor is connected from here. Okay, compressor is there which is taking its air from here, and you can see there is a compressor connected downwards. Okay, so I will increase the pressure of the compressor. Okay, so see here, this is the pressure of the compressor. Okay, which is around 5 bar. Okay, this pressurized air is being sent by this regulator. Okay, we can set the regulator pressure to 2 bar also. I have set it to 2 bar. So this pressurized air is being sent here up with the wire to the FRL unit. From the FRL unit it goes here to the distributor. Okay, it goes and it goes to the distributor. Okay, and from here if I connect this wire, okay, I'm taking the air. I'm taking this air directly to the one wire is connected to the push button type DCV. Another wire, this wire is connected here to the second port which I was talking here. Okay, this second port is actually this port. Okay, second port wherein I am getting directly the air. Okay, I can show you this. Okay, see, I'm on this button, I am getting the air here. So when I am getting this air, okay, so I am getting the air from this wire. Okay, I am getting the air from this wire from this distributor. Okay, that I have connected here to the second number port. Okay, so I am getting two sources of compressor से मुझे दो wires मिले जहाँ पे दोनों में air है. Okay, both the pipes are having air. So one is connected to this pilot operated DCV 5 by 2 and another is connected to the push button type DCV. So when I will push this push button, okay, as soon as I will push this to push button, the air which is coming here, okay, the air which is coming here into the first port gets connected to the second port, and this second port which I have connected here to the left side, what it does, it pushes the spool here to the right side. Okay, it pushes the spool and the second port gets connected here to the fourth port. The second port gets connected to the fourth port, and what happens is this fourth port gives the incoming air, this incoming air from the compressor, this air it gives ahead to the cylinder, single acting cylinder, and then the piston moves to the left hand side. This is the output we are getting. So what is the use of that is that कि अगर मैंने एक बार ये पुश बटन दबा के छोड़ दिया, ओके, अगर मैंने एक बार इसको पुश करके छोड़ दिया तो मुझे ये इसको दबा के रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक बार मैंने इसको पुश किया, ये स्पूल राइट हैंड साइड में मूव हो गया, तो उसके बाद में क्या हो गया, ये कनेक्शन मेड हो गया सेकंड वाला फोर्थ पोर्ट से. तो ये कनेक्शन मेक हो गया, ये कंटिन्यूसली इसको एयर दे रहा है और कंटिन्यूसली यहाँ पे एयर सप्लाई हो रही है और पिस्टन मेरा आगे की तरफ मूव हो रहा है. ओके, आई विल ट्राई टू शो इट टू यू.
इसके अंदर से एयर आ रही है.
हाँ, बंद कर. पॉज करो, ये करो, इसको ब्लॉक करो.
यहाँ से कहाँ से एयर निकल रहा है? अरे उसके अंदर सर
इसमें से एयर निकल रहा है, ये मतलब कि कनेक्टेड नहीं बराबर. So here I want the supply to this air pipes. Okay, so as soon as I push this push button, okay, the air which is coming here, air which was coming here, it went here to this port, okay, and what it did, it made this connection of this pipe to this output port, and the air went here and the piston moved outside.